Are you experiencing stress and frustration due to your defective Cadillac? Rest assured, if you are a consumer in California dealing with a persistently flawed vehicle, there may be a solution for you. Under the California Lemon Law, you not only have the chance to get rid of the problematic vehicle, but also receive compensation from Cadillac for the troubles you've faced. In this video, we're going to talk about the Cadillac Lemon Law buyback settlement option, exploring how it works, commonly reported Cadillac repair issues, affected Cadillac models, how to find out if your car qualifies for compensation, and the initial step required to file a Lemon Law claim. So let's begin. First of all, what is the Cadillac Lemon Law buyback settlement option? The California Lemon Law includes a buyback or repurchase arrangement specifically designed to provide compensation to consumers who have purchased a lemon vehicle from Cadillac. What's going to happen in a buyback is that Cadillac commits to repurchasing the faulty vehicle from you and paying you full compensation, which includes the original purchase price of the car, all sales and financing charges, prior and future monthly payments, as well as expenses for repairs, towing, and rental cars. Now, what makes this settlement particularly beneficial is that the final payout typically includes very minimal deductions, referred to as mileage offset, to account for your use of the vehicle prior to the onset of repair issues. Speaking of repair issues, let's explore some common defects that Cadillac vehicles have been associated with in Lemon Law claims. Here are a few examples of these issues. Check engine light, spontaneous shutoffs, oil leaks, faulty sensors, defective evap system, faulty ignition module, engine misfires, faulty injectors, defective fuel pumps, steering wheel locking, air conditioning issues, and transmission issues. Have you experienced any of these problems with your Cadillac? Of course, this is not an exhaustive list, and your car may be experiencing a totally different issue. However, it's important to remember that any persistent or recurring problem that severely impacts the vehicle's use, safety, or value can serve as valid grounds for filing a complaint. Now, let's determine which Cadillac models are included. The following models have previously been associated with Lemon Law complaints: Cadillac XT4, Cadillac XT5, Cadillac XT6, Cadillac Escalade, Cadillac CT5, Cadillac CTS, Cadillac STS-V, Cadillac XTS, Cadillac CT6, and the Cadillac CT6V. Have you experienced any issues with any of these Cadillac models? At this point, let's determine if your Cadillac actually meets the eligibility requirements for Lemon Law coverage. To be considered a lemon, the car must meet one of the following criteria. The vehicle must have been taken back to the dealership at least twice for a significant safety defect. The vehicle must have been taken back to the Cadillac dealership for a minimum of 4 times due to a non-safety defect or issue. The car must have been kept at the dealership for a total of over 30 days due to a combination of defects. Now, the next point is crucial, and you'll want to get this. The law states that by meeting just one of these requirements in the first 18 months or 18,000 miles, your vehicle is automatically classified as a lemon under the concept of Lemon Law legal presumption. But you might ask, what if the issues with your car crop up after the initial 18-month period or 18,000 mile limit? Have no fear, your car might still qualify. The fact is, if you own a faulty Cadillac in California and are encountering recurring defects or issues that started during the warranty period, which Cadillac or GM has failed to resolve despite several attempts, you may qualify for compensation, and it's essential to file a claim as soon as possible. And this leads us to the next crucial step. You can get your Lemon Law claims process underway today by seeking assistance from a proficient California Lemon Law attorney. An experienced attorney will examine your claim in detail, provide legal guidance based on your specific situation, and offer essential support throughout the duration of your case. And here's the great news for you. Your attorney can provide all of those important services completely free of charge. Yes, you got it right. You can have a highly skilled attorney representing you without spending a single penny from your own pocket. The reason behind this is that the most reputable lemon law attorneys in California operate under a no-win, no-fee policy. This simply means that their fees are covered by the auto manufacturer as part of the settlement. They will not receive compensation unless they actually win your case, which means there are no upfront costs for you. Let's not complicate matters here. It's time to make a decision and pursue the rightful compensation you deserve. Remember, the law is on your side, and you don't need to get stuck with a lemon.
Assistance to file a lemon law claim in California. Visit lemonlawyers.org by clicking on the link in the description below or call 323-553-7525 today for a free consultation. Thank you for watching.